Nagsa-start na hindi at totoo eh. So, thank you sa flyer. Sana matuloy ko siya. So, this is it, grabe. This is the first ever main event of Bareface, and we're really happy to see everyone right here. Thank you so much for sharing your precious time with us. For me kasi, time is a very precious gift we can share to anyone, and seeing you here, celebrating with us with this very big milestone for Bareface, so thank you so much. Grabe, kinakabahan ako. May speech ako dito, di ko alam kung masusunod ko. I'm shaking. Yeah. Kasi, yeah, so, alam niyo ba, the last time I speak in front of the crowd was the time I was still employed sa isang engineering company. And I was talking about safety hazard, about construction. I was talking about concrete, pipes, cable, transformers. Who would have thought that the next time I'll be doing this, it would launch ako ng skincare product and would be talking about niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, peptides, and so many more. So, diba, life is full of surprises. So, it just shows that if there's something you really want to do, kahit late na, kahit ano pang edad mo, if that's what's in your heart, pwede mo siyang gawin. And once na nandiyan ka na, do your best. And ayaw namin kasi magkaroon ng what-ifs during that time, kaya sabi namin, bahala na. Yung 150,000 pesos namin na in-invest na, bahala na, we're willing to risk it. And andito na tayo, so we just really want to recognize yung efforts ng team namin, mga kasama namin, mga sellers, mga influencers na kasama namin dito, and of course, our families and friends, and all the people na nag-support sa brand namin. Thank you very much. Malayo pa kami sa dreams namin, but yeah, marami na kami na nagawa. And alam niyo ba, share ko lang, but when we're doing live or magagawa kami ng mga content, people were asking like, nasan yung owners ng Bareface? Kaya ba yung owners ng Bareface? Ay, hindi ko alam kung matutuwa ba kami kasi parang disappointed ba sila? Na kami yung nakikita nila, like, are they expecting na Kyla Estrada or tandem ni Ann Curtis and Solen? Yes! So we don't know if the expectation nila mas kami yung nakita namin. Or should we be happy kasi they trust the product, they trust our brand, they use our products even without our faces. Diba? So yung trust and credibility ng brand na nabuo namin all throughout the years is nandiyan na. And pag inisip namin yun, we're very proud and happy pa rin. Kasi kahit wala kami, but yeah, we're trying to be more visible sa social media. We're trying our best. Pero yun, ginagamit pa rin yung product. And we promise to continue releasing quality products and affordable products na masisolve yung mga skin concerns ng mga Pilipino and even internationally. So yun. So this time, we hope you get a chance to try our newest product. And sana magustuhan nyo kasi we really put our hearts and effort into it, like super tagal ng journey. And we hope na magustuhan nyo rin siya, just like how we love the product.
So good evening everybody. Thank you. Ay, good afternoon pala. Sorry, I'm late kasi. Kaya akala ko gabi na. So good afternoon everybody. Thank you for coming and celebrating this beautiful event today. So yun. Ako, babasahin ko talaga kasi baka mas maiyak ako. Knowing myself. Ayun, so thank you all for being here today to celebrate the launch of our newest product. Thank you, baby. We used to only attend big events like what Aryan said. Kung siya nagtotalk, ako naman sa iyo ako uma-attend ng mga parties like this. So, konting trivia din. So, mag-office mate din kami. So, iisa lang kami ng ginagalawan lagi. Ayaw makuha ng face. Hindi ako makilala ng cellphone ko, sorry. Ayaw ng face recognition. O, diba? At least napapatawa ko kayo lahat. Ayan. Okay, ayun. So, but it feels different pala now that we are the ones hosting such event. So, how do I start ba? Nakabahan ako. You know what? As we stand before you, I can't help but look back on how far we've gone. Our journey has not been easy, nor smooth sailing. Diba? Lahat naman siguro ng business owners, we also have those highs and lows. But what I can say is that everything we went through, for me, I don't have any regrets. From giving up my career as a professional engineer to becoming a full-time mom and a business owner. From our curiosity of what if itry natin to building 3 brands. So para sa mga hindi nakakaalam, dahil hindi nga kami ganun ka-visible, so we do own the Simply You and Daily Dose as well. So hindi lang po si Bareface, but we also have Simply You and Daily Dose. All those in-betweens, all the exhaustion, sleepless nights, mga naging sakit namin due to stress and tears, I can say that they were worth it. Because if those things hadn't happened, Simply You Corp and Bareface wouldn't exist today. Bareface, and we wouldn't be able to make our buyers and customers happy if we hadn't created Bareface. So, all I can say is thank you so much for joining us here today, and I hope na mag-enjoy kayo for this event. And itry nyo lahat ng food na meron tayo today. And syempre, mas excited kami is for you to experience our new product. Diba? Napakaganda niyan. And we will be offering that to you today. Thank you so much, and God bless everyone.
Wait, bago kayo pumunta sa downstage, our co-founders, everyone, alam mo, Miss Ariel, tama yung sinabi mo kanina. Yung parang, nagugulat yung mga tao sa meetings. Because, hindi dahil nag-expect ako. Kasi guys, days before this, I actually had a meeting with them. Tapos sabi ko, kaya sila CEO, sa mga co-founders. Tapos guys, it's not in the way that you might think na in-expect nila at least. But everybody, the reason why nagugulat yung mga tao is super humble ng co-founders natin. As in, we play it cool, we play it as if we are Barkada. And you know what? That is really empowerment. Diba? Like, people on top, pushing and being one of the people we are working with and collaborating with. And that, y'all, that is what's people women's month. So can you give a round of applause, everyone? Miss Els and Miss Ariel, thank you.